Hello and welcome to Why Not DIY. Our recipe today is the vegetable pie made with puff pastry, a very simple yet delicious recipe that you can enjoy with your family over lunch or over dinner. Join me in this video to make it together. I am Rafa from Why Not DIY.
First, start by bringing a tablespoon of olive oil to a heated saucepan. Then add 1 minced garlic clove and half teaspoon of finely chopped fresh ginger. Fry the garlic and the ginger until they start changing in color. Then add a mix of vegetables. Here I added chopped carrots, green peas and corn. You can also add mushrooms, onions, and even small chicken cubes or minced meat. Add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sweet pepper, and a pinch of rosemary. Stir well, then add a little bit of water and cover the pan with a lid. Once the water is dried, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Stir to coat the vegetables with the sauce and turn off the fire. Next, spread 1 layer of puff pastry in a baking tray and add the cooked vegetables. Cover the vegetables with a second layer of puff pastry. If you wish, spray some oil on top of the puff and bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Enjoy!